Hello guys, good day. How are you today? I hope you are doing so well. And today I would like to share with you about unboxing Fire HD 8. Fire HD 8. Okay. This is from Amazon. And so meron na siyang 16 gigabytes with Alexa. Look at that. Okay, I hope you can see it. Alright. Okay. So, ang ganda ng box niya, guys. So, meron siyang 8 inches HD display and micro SD slot up to 256 gigabytes. And then quad core na rin siya. Dual band Wi-Fi, front and rear cameras. So, ayan guys. Okay, so ganyan siya guys. Alright, so let's open. Ganda ng box niya. Okay. Ang ganda ng design. Look at that. Actually, this one is just a cover. So, parang ganyan siya. Okay, let me open this for you. Okay, so ganyan siya. Parang stand. Stand lang siya. Parang ganito. Like that. Okay. So, from Amazon. Okay, let me open. So, ganito siya. Stand. Okay, and then next is the... Ito wala to. Parang yun nga yun, yung stand. And then, so, unahin ko muna. So, ito na yung unit. Guys. Tapos, meron siyang ang sabi dito is Fire HD 8 inches quad core. So, ito yung manual niya. Mabilis lang naman siya intindihin. And this one, Fire tablets. Ito, yung ano niya, talaga features niya. Ang ganda, napaka-social niya. Look at that. Ang sabi dito is listening is the new reading. New reading. Okay. Tapos, ito na yung gadget, guys. Amazon, from Amazon. So, dito siya makikita yung turn on. Power. Okay. So, since may Alexa siya, meron siyang 8. So I recommend this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to our Pinoy Tip Stop TV. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you can subscribe to our channel Pinoy Tip Stop TV. Thank you and God bless. Goodbye.